birds of a feather flock together. What's up, makers? Nate Javier here, back at the table. I know we got a pool table this time. It's pretty cool. And I want to share with you something pretty cool, and it kind of has to do with something like a homing pigeon. Oh, this is going to be awesome. You're going to love this. We do need our pigeons for this. I'm going to use the 4 aces. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4 aces. And they're going to be homing to different places. You see, 1 ace goes there, 2 and 3, and the 4th ace stays here. Now we can just take off a few cards per ace. So you have like 3, 6, 9, 12. And here's how we're gonna do it. Take the first 3, 1, 2, 3, and they go with the first one. Next 3, 1, 2, 3. Second, 1, 2, 3. With third, and we have these 3. And we'll go ahead and place them right there with our homing ace. Now, if you just give each little birdie a little bit of air, they'll be able to fly back to home base. You see, there's the first one. If we look at it, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 cards and not an ace in sight. Second one, do the same kind of thing, give it a little flappy motion, fly away, turn it over. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and no ace. Yes, 4. That's totally intentional. And the last one, it's a jet stream, so it goes meow, and it's gone. Just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the ace disappears. Where did they all go? We did say that over here we have the homing ace, the ace of spades, and following it is the ace of diamonds, ace of clubs, and the ace of hearts. We'll see you next time.